Hi, you guys. Today we are working with lesson 4-1, representing linear non-proportional relationships. So what I'm going to do is walk you through how to find the y values when you're given an x value and an equation. So what we'll do is we're going to start with number 1. It has been done for you, but I want just to walk you through so that you can complete 2 and 3 and then 5 and 6. Number 4 has already been done. So if we're given the equation 3x plus 2, we want to make sure that we are substituting the value that they give us for x into that variable. So we are going to say 3 times negative 2, and we carry down our positive 2. Okay, and then we are going to first multiply because of what PEMDAS tells us to do. So we have positive 3 times negative 2 is going to be negative 6. We carry down our positive 2. Here we need to then identify our terms. We ask ourselves, do I have more positives or negatives? Here I have more negatives, so my answer is negative. Same signs or opposite signs. My signs are opposite, so I'm going to subtract, and I have 6 take away 2 is going to give me 4. So we get y equals negative 4, and you can see that they've also gotten that up there. So if we do the next one, again, we are going to have 3x plus 2. Here they give me a negative 1 for my x value, so I have 3 times negative 1 plus 2. Here I want to make sure, again, following the rules of PEMDAS, I have 3 times negative 1 is a negative 3 plus 2. I need to identify my terms. Here I have asked myself again, do I have more positives or negatives? In this case, again, I have more negatives. And then I ask myself, same signs or opposite signs? They are opposite, so I'm going to subtract, and I get a negative 1. And you can see that that's what they got for their value there. Okay, the next part of this is that they want you to do the graphs. And so here you can see that number 4 has been done for you in regards to the table, but you do need to graph number 4. And so what we're going to do, we need to make sure that we remember that our points are given to us as x, y coordinates, with x being left or right, y being up and down. And so here we have a negative 4. Negative 4 tells me I'm going to go to the left to negative 4 and then up 1, and I plot my point there. The next one I'm given is negative 2. So again, I go left, negative 2, and then I go up 2, and I plot my point. The next one I have 0, 3, so I don't move anywhere on my x axis. I stay at the origin, but I do move up to positive 3, and I plot my point. So you can see that I am getting linear, which is a straight line. So you are going to continue plotting those points and then completing graphs 5 and 6 after getting your x and y coordinates for those.